call on my friends, family, and loved ones to rise up against my real killers. I wish I had more time.
New developments this morning in the kidnapping of nearly 300 schoolgirls in Nigeria.
Journalists Luke Summers and South African H.E.A.T were killed by
Al-Qaeda responsible for their abduction
during a rescue attempt by the US
As Deborah
on
Pata
Friday.
reports, he's mocking the international campaign to free those girls.
SSC training provides hostile environmental awareness training, or HEAT courses, to prepare your staff with the self-reliance and survival knowledge necessary to address risks and challenges inherent in operating in unfamiliar and hostile environments with confidence. Our HEAT courses are structured programs designed for staff that are visiting or working in areas of high insecurity or limited infrastructure. Experience has shown that such training reduces the chances of a staff member from becoming involved in a security incident. The training also mitigates the serious consequences and effects of such an incident, and thereby demonstrates your duty of care responsibility.